Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to make more money per client. I already touched on the basics of this in a previous video, but now we can dive deeper into strategy. Your goal is to create a successful value ladder. A value ladder is a method of mapping out your product or service offering visually in ascending order of value and price. It allows you to cater to your clients' needs no matter where they're at. It's also an effective way for you to build trust and maximize the lifetime value of each customer. After all, it's less expensive to keep an existing customer than it is to get a new one. Another perk of creating a value ladder is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. No more figuring out what each and every potential client wants and preparing time-costly proposals. Instead, you'll identify the problem they need help solving and have solutions to offer them all ready to go. In a nutshell, you start by offering something of value for free, usually in exchange for an email address. This is sometimes called an opt-in, and then increase the price and value with your subsequent offers. A value ladder guides your customers and clients toward purchasing your premium offers by providing them with smaller offers along the way. You're building customer trust after they make the purchase. Upselling is a huge perk of creating an effective value ladder. When people opt into your free offer or buy your low-priced offer, often called a tripwire, you can pitch your lead offer as your next step. Then you can upsell again to present premium offers, and so on. Your ladder should include a free offer, an intro offer, a lead offer, and a bullseye offer. The purpose of your free offer is to generate sales leads. Examples of this include blog posts, a free ebook, how-to videos, a webinar, a free introductory course, etc. Whatever your free offer is, it should provide value. Your intro offer is a low-priced offering that solves the problem your client has a bit more than your free offering. This offer isn't designed to make a profit, but instead create a customer as quickly as possible and make the next step even easier. This way, your customer or client has already put in their credit card information, so upselling to your lead offer is a quick and simple upgrade. Your lead offer requires a larger financial commitment, but has even more value. This should be designed to be profitable and extremely valuable. Your bullseye offer, aka core offer, is whatever you're selling to solve your customer's biggest problem. It should emphasize your expertise and make you money. After this, you can include a bonus step on your value ladder, the loyalty offer. This offer extends the value of your brand by offering ongoing or necessary products and services to continue helping them solve their problems. This could be a weekly group coaching call, a mastermind group, subscription-based content, additional digital products. The list goes on. A great example of this can be found in Russell Brunson's book, Dot-Com Secrets. He builds a value ladder for a dentist. This starts with a teeth cleaning, then whitening, then offers a retainer, and then cosmetic surgery. As the ladder keeps increasing, there are also 6-month checkups scheduled for recurring revenue. The most important point in building a successful value ladder is actually providing value each step of the way. A value ladder helps make marketing your services easier because it helps build trust and increase the lifetime value of your customers. It helps your customers through their decision-making process and will continually benefit you and your clients or customers. Sketch out your value ladder and tag us on social media @the TKM Co.